Hello friends, in this video we will go to discuss about relation between self, mutual and quotient of coupling. The self means self-inductance, mutual inductance and quotient of coupling. Okay, let's first write mutual inductance M12 equal to N1512 by I2. It is also represented by N1K52 by I2. Okay, N1 K52, not a 512, N1 K52 by I2 and M21 equal to N2521 by I1. It can be also represented as N2 K51 by I1. These are the mutual inductance. Now let's see how the mutual inductance and the quotient of coupling are related. Now I want to multiply the two mutual inductances M12 and M21. M12 into M21. M12 is nothing but N1K52 by I2 into N2K51 by I1. Okay, here K is the common thing. K into K square into N1. All one terms are come under one bracket and two terms are come under another bracket. Then N1 pi1 by I1, next N2 pi2 by I2. Okay, we know normal inductance L is equal to N pi by I, where L1 equal to N1 pi1 by I1. Here we have N1 pi1 by I1. That means we can easily represent this is as L1 and N2 pi2 I2 we can represent as L2. Okay, now let's assume M12 equal to M21 equal to M. When M12 equal to M21 equal to M, then this in this place, this M12 place we can represent M, and this M21 place we can represent one more M, and M into M square. That is written here. M square is equal to K square into N151 by I1. What is N151 by I1? That is nothing but L1, and N252 by I2, that is nothing but L2. Okay, next move this L1 and L2 to this side, then K square is equal to M square by L1 into L2. Then we want to find K value, that's why move this root square to this side and it will become root, that is K is equal to M by root L1 into L2. This is the relation between the quotient of coupling, mutual inductance and inductance. K is the quotient of coupling, M is the mutual inductance and L1 and L2 are the inductance. This is about the relation between the quotient of coupling, mutual inductance and inductance. Thank you for watching this video.